This is the Relativistic Energy Interactive Calculator, which solves Einstein's energy-momentum relationships for objects moving at significant fractions of the speed of light. The calculator has a calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options: calculate total energy, calculate kinetic energy, calculate velocity from energy, calculate relativistic momentum, calculate Lorentz factor, and calculate mass from total energy. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Calculate Total Energy. The input fields include rest mass m0, velocity v, velocity as fraction of c, with values between 0 and 0.9999, total energy E, and Lorentz factor GRE with a minimum value of 1. Let's work through an example. I'll enter a rest mass of 1 kilogram and a velocity fraction of 0.8, meaning the object moves at 80% of light speed. After clicking Calculate, the results show the total relativistic energy, which includes both rest mass energy and kinetic energy. The calculator also displays the Lorentz factor, showing how time dilation and length contraction scale at this velocity. These outputs are essential for particle accelerator design and high-energy physics calculations. Find the link in the description below.